Everybody loves Harvest Day. Big cola, sticky trim. Now it's time for your victory lap. But let me tell you something. The real work starts when the plants come down. If you skip this step, you're carrying old problems into your new run. And since I'm running living soil, I don't lean on any kind of harsh chemical sprays. So cleanliness is my first line of pest maintenance. Let's reset this 2x4 properly.
Yeah. TAC rich, yeah, we grow, we smoke it. Kansas City roots got the whole world token. Better buzz, better life. Yeah, that's the slogan. Tune in, stay lit. Exclusive, unbroken.
So I just wrapped up a grow in this 2x4. I got the AC Infinity light overhead, along with the AC Infinity inline fan and oscillating fan, and just one single earth box down at the bottom. So before anything new grows in this tent, we clean. Everything must get clean. Dead leaves, gone. Dust in the corners, gone. Any spilled soil from top dress, gone. Organic grows especially can invite fungus gnats if debris sits too long. You're not just cleaning your tent, you're breaking pest life cycles. Even if it doesn't look dirty, it is. Dust settles on the light over time, and here's why that matters. Dust blocks light. It might not seem like much, but in a 2x4, every photon counts. I wipe my lights down with a damp microfiber cloth. I don't spray anything directly on the electronics, not soaking it, just wipe and dry. A clean light equals maximum output. I wipe down the inline fan blades carefully. Same thing with the oscillating fan. That can reduce your airflow efficiency, make your fan work harder, and can throw off your entire environment. Dust builds up inside the inline fan housing and on the blades. Those fans move air across your canopy 24/7. If they're dirty, they're just blowing dust back onto your plants. Next step, I vacuum, especially the zipper tracks. Dust and debris love hiding there. If you ever had a random gnat pop up early in a run, it's usually from leftover organic matter. So just remove the habitat. Next step, I need to wipe down the mylar walls. This part is definitely underrated. Clean mylar reflects more light. Dirty mylar absorbs and scatters light unevenly. In a 2x4 tent, wall reflection helps lower bud sites get light. When walls are clean, photons bounce better, which means stronger lower growth. I wipe from top to bottom with a mild solution of EM5. Real quick, because I think this matters, I don't use bleach in my grow space or any harsh chemicals for that matter. I'm looking out for the biology in all of my soil. So instead, I use EM5. EM5 is great because it's microbe friendly, it helps suppress pathogens, and it doesn't leave behind a harsh chemical residue. It's strong enough to sanitize surfaces and gentle enough not to disrupt beneficial life nearby. We protect the ecosystem here. Make sure to do your deep clean when your tent is completely empty. When you got plants in there, your options are more limited. Use this reset window to your advantage and stay ahead of IPM. Now look at this. Clean floor, shining walls, fresh light, dust-free fans. This is how you start a run. A clean tent doesn't guarantee success, but a dirty tent almost guarantees issues. And since we grow in living soil, we let the biology do all the heavy lifting. Our job, just control the environment.
Yeah. TAC rich, yeah, we grow, we smoke it. Kansas City roots got the whole world token. Better buzz, better life. Yeah, that's the slogan. Tune in, stay lit. Exclusive, unbroken.